Welcome to our video on how artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing our lives. AI has been around for decades, but in recent years, it has made significant strides, becoming an integral part of our everyday experiences. From the way we work to how we communicate and even how we enjoy our leisure time, AI is reshaping our world in unexpected ways. Let's dive in and explore the various ways AI is transforming our lives. Part 1. The evolution of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its inception in the 1950s. Back then, AI was more of a concept, limited to basic rule-based systems and early experiments in machine learning. Over the decades, AI technology evolved from symbolic AI to neural networks, leading to breakthroughs in image recognition, natural language processing, and deep learning. Today, AI is used in countless applications, from personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to complex systems that power autonomous vehicles. Part 2. AI in our daily lives. AI is all around us, often in ways we don't even realize. Take your smartphone, for example. AI powers features like facial recognition, voice commands, and personalized recommendations. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa use AI to understand and respond to our questions, helping us find information, set reminders, and even control smart home devices. Another area where AI is making an impact is in online platforms. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram use AI algorithms to curate content, analyze user behavior, and suggest friends or accounts to follow. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify rely on AI to recommend shows, movies, and music based on our preferences. Part 3. AI in the workplace. AI is also changing the way we work. In many industries, AI-powered tools are automating repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more creative and strategic activities. For example, in the field of customer service, AI chatbots can handle basic queries, providing quick responses and freeing up human agents to handle more complex issues. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots are revolutionizing production lines, enhancing efficiency and precision. These robots can work around the clock, reducing downtime and increasing output. In the healthcare sector, AI is used for medical image analysis, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, and even in robotic surgery, where AI helps guide surgical instruments with incredible accuracy. Part 4. The ethical implications of AI. While AI offers numerous benefits, it also raises ethical concerns. One of the biggest issues is bias in AI algorithms, which can lead to unfair treatment or discrimination. This can happen when AI systems are trained on biased data or when they lack transparency, making it challenging to identify and correct biases. Privacy is another critical concern. AI systems can collect and analyze vast amounts of data, raising questions about how this information is used and who has access to it. Regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in Europe aim to protect users' privacy, but there's still work to be done to ensure AI is used ethically. Part 5. The future of AI. Looking ahead, the future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. AI technology will continue to advance, leading to new applications and possibilities. We'll see AI playing a more significant role in autonomous vehicles, personalized medicine, and smart cities. The potential for AI to address global challenges, such as climate change and healthcare disparities, is immense. However, to fully harness the benefits of AI, we'll need to address the ethical and societal challenges it presents. Collaboration between policymakers, researchers, and industry leaders will be crucial to ensure AI is developed and used responsibly. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world around us in profound ways. From the way we work to how we communicate and even how we relax, AI is reshaping our lives. While there are challenges to overcome, the possibilities AI offers are boundless. As we continue on this journey, let's embrace the positive changes AI brings while remaining vigilant about the ethical implications. Thank you for joining us in exploring the impact of AI on our lives. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.